The Wise Old Man and the Young Traveler. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, and there lived a wise old man known for his profound wisdom and kind heart. People from far and wide would come to seek his advice on various matters. One day, a young traveler arrived in the village. He had heard tales of the old man's wisdom and was eager to meet him. The traveler had been wandering for years, searching for the meaning of life and the secret to happiness. The young man traveler approached the wise old man and asked, "What is the secret to a happy and fulfilling life?" The old man smiled and replied, "Come with me, I will show you." They walked to a nearby river where the old man handed the traveler a small empty bucket. "Fill this bucket with the water from the river," he instructed. The traveler did as he was told, but as he filled the bucket, he noticed that it had several small holes, causing the water to leak out. Frustrated, he turned to the old man and said, "The water keeps leaking out. How can I fill the bucket?" The old man replied, "The bucket represents your life, and the water represents happiness. The holes your worries, fears, and regrets. No matter how much happiness you try to pour into your life, it always leak out if you don't address these holes." The traveler understood the lesson. He realized that to find true happiness, he needed to let go of his worries, fears, and regrets. Only then could he fill his life with lasting joy. From the day forward, the young traveler focused on healing his inner wounds and letting go of his burdens. He found peace and happiness, and he shared the old man wisdom with others he met on his journey. Thank you.